Precious Pioneer, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, the channel where we talk about food and lifestyle. If you're new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. That would really help to support me in the creation of these videos. But without further ado, I wanted to recreate this red cabbage dish that I had recently tried. A couple of weeks ago, I went to this Jamaican restaurant and they had the most delicious cabbage, and I'm like, ever since I had that, I'm like, okay, I need to recreate this recipe somehow. And the only kind of other cabbage that I had before was when I was taking a couple of culinary classes back in college, and we made this German red cabbage dish that has like fresh apples and onions and things like that. So I wanted to kind of tweak it and make it my own. So let's just jump into this recipe and yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this recipe is so good. When I'm telling you, like, I made this giant pot of cabbage, I could literally just eat the entire thing. Or like when I think of it, I want to, like, I have this French loaf right here, It would be so good on a sandwich or even chilled and topped on something like a coleslaw, but this is how it turned out. It is so good. The recipe at the end, you're supposed to top it off with a little bit of black pepper. I have a mortar and pestle, I think that's what it's called, where you like grind up the pepper, and oh my gosh, it's so good. Look at that. Okay. So good. Spend 25 to 25 minutes of your life, make this recipe. It is so good. It's like, it's still crunchy. It's the perfect balance between, like, everybody loves that, like, unless you don't like onions, but like that caramelly, oniony taste, and then also the vinegar that kind of cuts through it, and it's so buttery and salty, and it's just like all of your favorite taste buds together. It's sweet, salty, vinegary, what's it, like tangy? Acidic, that's it, acidic. And it just has all of that in harmony, and it's just so good. Well, excuse me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this week's video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe below. And until then, I'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys try the recipe. If you do, leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I think it's absolutely amazing, super delicious. If you tried it, just let me know. But other than that, bye guys.